Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on AliExpress. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in aliexpress.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AliExpress website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button that you see at the left side and then proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now, if you wish to change your profile picture, then hover over to the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Within the Settings page, underneath Personal Information, if you don't already have a picture, you will see the Upload Picture option. If you have one already, you will see the Change Picture option instead. Just click on the option that you see. And now you will see the option to upload your desired picture. Click on the Upload Photo button and then choose any picture file and then click on Open. You will then need to certify that you own the copyright for this image. Click on the checkbox and then click on Submit. And now you will be told that your picture will be displayed within 24 hours. Once your photo has been submitted, you can check back within the Overview page and you will be able to see your new profile picture right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your profile picture on AliExpress. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.